Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by putting on eye and ear protection, safety first. Once done, check the trimmer spool and confirm you have the right line and about 1/2 inch exposed. Make sure fuel or battery is topped so you won't stop mid-edge. Walk the planned edge and use a string or garden wheel to mark a clean line. Now, hold the trimmer at a shallow angle and make your first slow pass, keeping a steady wrist to establish a crisp, consistent guide. Once your guide is set, you shape the edge with controlled, overlapping passes. Maintain about a 20 to 30 degree angle so the line slices grass cleanly rather than ripping. Move the trimmer in short arcs, stepping forward slowly. This keeps the edge even and prevents gouging. Make a second pass to remove stray blades and to trim roots about 1/2 to 1 inch below the turf line for a sharp face. Keep the guard close to the lawn to limit clip. You finish by brushing clippings into the bed or path and inspecting the edge for gaps. Walk the line and make touch-up passes where scallops or uneven spots appear, using short, steady strokes for precise correction. If the trimmer bogs or the line breaks frequently, stop and clear the spool, replace with the manufacturer's recommended line size, and retention. Finally, step back and view the edge from multiple angles. A quick cosmetic trim will unify the look and reveal any last fixes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.